More times.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. Oh, dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said.
Shelley, come to order. Let us all side the plate. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Not friends.
Every year she gets a fish.
Every year she shakes the bag.
And every year that fish goes belly up.
She's a fish killer.
Oh, I can't go with that girl. I need my dad. I gotta get back to my dad. Daddy!
Hey, kid! You'll get back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're
Keep swimming, just keep swimming. Everything will be okay. See, just keep swimming. Your tail, and sure enough we'll find our way. Oh, sometimes things look bad. Then poof, the moment is gone. And what do? We just keep swimming on.
So grab some shell and surf the sea with me. Go with the flow.
Yeah.
But it's not isolation.
It's like whack-a-mole.
Welcome you one and all to the festival of the Lion King.
Hiya, folks! How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timbo is here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage! Who's driving this thing?
All right, giraffes, you're first. On the count of 3, let's hear that sound. 1, 2, 3.
Come on, boys, let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet! Thank you. Maestro, if you please. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna